Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Vice Grip Garage channel analytics. He has uploaded 155 videos. He now has 716k subscribers with a total view of 98,570,064 views. He's from US, and his channel type is autos. He created his channel since December 9, 2007. The grade he got is B+, and his Social Blade ranking is at 16,572nd. The subscriber ranking is 36,125th, and then video view rank is 61,396th. He ranked at 8,273rd in US and 355th in autos. Next, the daily subs for Vice Grip Garage is around 1.43k with a daily view of 362,157. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 360,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $1,440. Then, monthly income will be $43,200. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $23,760 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $285,120. That is how much Vice Grip Garage earns from YouTube.